Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will reveal to you how you can utilize the magic eraser tool to remove several parts of your images and photos on Photopea. So let us get started right away. So guys, let's say for instance you have an image like that here and you would like to remove larger chunks of your image or photo by using the magic eraser tool. It is actually very simple, so pay attention to that panel here on the left hand side, and here you will see a tool like this here, the eraser tool. To enable the magic eraser, simply right click on it and select magic eraser here, and after that simply left click on the area you would like to remove. So for example, if an area resembles or features similar or set with similar pixels, like for example, I don't know, for example that part here, that walk, by left clicking on it, Photopea will remove all parts that have similar pixels, just like that, so entire areas. And you may play around, for example, with the tolerance here at the top by left clicking on that arrow down icon, and by adjusting, for example, or selecting higher tolerance or lower one. So if we go, for example, with a higher tolerance and apply the magic eraser tool again, it will remove a larger area because the tolerance is higher in this case here. So that's basically it, guys. You may also go down and go very in-depth and remove only very detailed areas, like for example if I click on that part here, and as you can see only pixels that are very similar have been removed. And that's how you use the magic eraser tool on Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.